Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Are you currently looking to list your property but wondering what do you need to do to fix it up or how much renovation you should actually do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing and is it worth it to actually do it? Hi, I'm Shawana Turner of Metro Area Development, and the answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what's happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than in previous years. This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to actually ignore some update repairs that may not have been necessary but could have been overlooked in previous months. In a recent article from Realtor.com, it says, quote, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive buyers, which usually means some selected updates. However, since we're still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your home stand out from the competition, but you will need to consider the return on the investment. According to the 2022 Fort Remodeling Impact Report and the National Association of Realtors, it says, and I quote, hardwood flooring, refinishing, and putting in new wood flooring has the most significant value in today's market. Also, what's just as important is to make sure that your real estate agent knows of any upgrades that you've previously done. This way, they can make sure that they properly market your home and that buyers are aware of the features and improvements that you've done. And finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting with professional agents to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to my team and I so we can actually go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home so you can get the best return on your investment. I'm Shawana Turner, and always remember that every day is a great day to buy and sell real estate. Talk to you soon.